Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomoka Table, and today I have with me a GTR and, well, yeah, this is Tomoka Unboxing over here, so, yeah, Tomoka Unboxing, would you like to say hi? Oh, my volume's off. Percy, say hi. Okay, so, anyway, yeah, we are gonna review the Nissan GTR right here, the Dubai police version with Percy talking in the background.
Okay.
Hopefully you can hear him. New kind of style for Friday because today my live stream messed up a bit, so let's just do this one instead. So, anyway, let's kind of get into the box first before the car. And taking out the box. And for the back, we have this thing here, which is kind of weird. It says free gift, which is a sticker on the back. Kind of weird. Has a little code up here and, well, Nissan GTR Police Dubai. Oh, 94.6. Well, 94.6, no idea what that means. Anyway, for the front of the box, it is black and white, the entire thing. And, well, Percy, where are you?
I'm quiet.
Oh, yeah. How do you think the box looks?
How can I see it?
You saw it just now.
Did I?
Yeah.
You didn't show the full box?
Okay, never mind. Never mind. There's a picture of the GTR on the front right here. Pretty cool in black and white with some Dubai police logos. And on the side, the exact same picture. Both sides. So on the top, random stuff. On the bottom is the warning label. And the back, we kind of went through it just now, but, you know, not for sale. Coming into the car, we know that the GTR is Tomoka Unboxing's favorite car, right? So,
Not this one.
his is the what? R33 or R34?
Not R33, it's R32.
Oh shit. Oh, okay. Same thing, same thing. And anyway, for here, quiet. Anyway, for this
Alright.
GTR right here, this is the 2008 model. Right here, with no front light tampos. This one is the plastic headlights. And, well, right here is the Dubai Police logo. So, yeah, pretty neat. Looks like some kind of boat. And the police crest. So, yeah, looks pretty cool. Police right here written in mirror image. So, you know, if you look in your rearview mirror, you can see that in, well, flipped. So, it says police. GTR logo right here on a matte gray little, well, what do you call this thing? Grill, yeah, front grill. And the bumper is the same color. Percy, you don't have this car, right?
Yeah, I hate you.
Yeah, do you want it?
Yeah, of course.
Then, well, on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you think it looks? Well, 10 being the best. How do you think it?
9.
Oh, why do you say 9? Why not 10?
It is not good as R34.
Okay. Anyway, for the door over here, right, look, it's a bit misaligned. Don't know how that came about. So, pretty weird right here. And again, the Dubai Sun Police symbols right here. And the 999 Police Force door handle, and then another police crest. The entire scale of the car is in white and green, which, Percy, have you seen any GTRs in Hong Kong that are white and green?
White and green? Of
Like,
course not.
Real ones? Like real cars? No.
It is rare to see R35.
Oh, so yeah, our white and green isn't really common apart from the Dubai Police, because here in Singapore as well, I've never seen the white and green GTR. So anyway, the green stripe continues up here to the back, below your petrol cap, and over here we have Dubai Police, the Nissan logo right here, and, well, another one of those Dubai symbols. GTR again here on the back with your really bright and vibrant rear light tampos. Over here we have a space for a number plate. Well, I mean, I guess police cars still need number plates, and, well, they just reuse the casting anyway. And for the back bumper, which has some exhaust pipe molded into it, it's again in matte light gray. For the base here, it is, well, black plastic, and Nissan GTR, made in Vietnam, 2008 model. So yeah, we have silver chrome on the wheels here, the racing style wheels. And Tomica Unboxing, do you like the Tomica wheels or not?
No.
Oh, because it's too plain and boring, stuff like that?
Yeah, of course.
Anyway, for
Tomica Premium.
yeah, premium wheels are nice. Apart from the Nissan IDS concept, those wheels are crap. And anyway, this spoiler right here, pretty low down. So don't know about its effectiveness because this is the base spoiler. So if you buy a R35, this is what the spoiler looks like. Default. If you want to put a wing on there, that's up to you. But I mean, everyone puts wings on it, so you won't really find a GTR with, you know, just this right here. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for today's review of the Dubai Police R35. So thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe, and subscribe to Tomica Unboxing as well, who is on the phone. I will end the call after the video. So yeah, see you guys. Bye. Bye, Percy.